everybody! Today I'm going to start my video lessons of how to draw using the book I Can Draw by Charlie Lane and Sarah Vince. So it has the instructions which I'm gonna use to show you how to. And there's space here to draw, but I'm going to use I'm just gonna put it in front of me, and I'm going to use the regular copy machine paper. You can use any paper you have at home, any that is available. Also, you're gonna need a pencil. It may be just a regular graphite pencil, or it may be coloring pencils, any color you would like. I just got 4 different colors that I'm in the mood today for. So let's start. All right. So let's try to draw the shapes first, because a lot of characters and vehicles in this book will be constructed using some basic shapes. So these are basic shapes. All right, ready? We're going to start with a spiral. You can start in the middle of the paper if you would like, or any other corner that is comfortable for you. I'm going to start here. And spiral. So we start in the middle and we just keep going, making rounds like that. Spiral. Can be as big as you want it to be. All right, let me use purple for this time. All right, we start in the middle. One more time. Spiral. Let's start in the middle and draw out. It's a small spiral. All right, this time I'm gonna make it red. All right, start in the middle and draw out. Maybe small, it may be big, as big as you want it to be big. Oh, see? Okay. Let me try blue this time. Start in the middle and draw out. Alright. So you can go at any side of the page that you have and draw as many spirals as you would like. Because the main thing is to train our hand to draw the spirals, right? It's gonna be a small one. Oh, let me draw the red. Alright. Spiral. And you just keep going. All right, the next one is going to be square. So we're going to draw 4 equal. Equal means the same. So the same 4 straight sides, and we're going to connect them in the square. Okay? 1, the first straight line. So if you want them to be equal, but you're not sure how to make them equal, I'm going to use the trick that I used when I was a kid and I went to art school. See, you just measure it with your pencil, just like that. I know it's going to be approximate, not like exactly the same as when you use the ruler, but that's okay. You see, it starts at the tip. You just fix it like that. Just like that. It's a little longer, but that's okay. All right, so the first straight line, 2, 3, and 4. You see? That's square. It's a little bit, this side is a little bit longer, but that's all right. We're learning how to draw it, right? So we're fine. All right, let me draw purple square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Red one. 1. Oh, I started on the side. 2, 3, and 4. 4 sides of straight lines make square. So you can go ahead and make as many squares as you would like. 1, 2, 3, 4. I just realized that it's a little bit easier to start my square with the left side, but go ahead and find your own way of drawing squares, which is easier for you. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, make sure the surface you're drawing on is nice and straight. I had some pencils on my side, that's why it went a little wavy. That's all right. Now let me try the yellow one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you know what we could do? I just got an idea. We can make square inside of the square, right? So we can make it smaller inside right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or we also can do it on the outside. Make it just longer. 1, 2, 3, 4. And make it smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4. That looks like fun. Oh. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And please pay attention how you hold the pencil. It's really, really important that you hold it correctly, okay? The grips. 2, 3, 4. Oh, this one went a little bigger. That's all right. Looks a little more than rectangle rather than square. All right, the next is going to be rectangle. You ready? Let's get ready to draw the rectangle this time. So I'm going to draw 2 short, right? And straight sides. 1 short, right? Just use your eyes to measure how long it is. That's okay. If it's not exactly the same, that's okay. So go to the side like that. Now we're going to connect these two short lines with long and straight sides. Just like that. It's also might be a little easier to draw the long sides first. Let me take a purple one. Long, another long side, so they're parallel to each other, and short ones. So we got two rectangles, and you just keep going. You can use different colors of pens or pencils or markers or just a regular pencil, whatever you have at your house, whatever is available, even crayons. This one is a little not too straight, but that's okay. How about we try it again, just like with the squares. Long, should be a little longer, right? So it could fit the smaller rectangle. 3 and 4. So you see rectangles have the same 4 sides if you count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Have you noticed the difference with this between the rectangle and square? Yes, these sides are longer, they're not the same. You can also compare them. You see? It stops here and it's longer. So these sides are longer. Okay, let's draw another one. One long side, 2 long side, and 2 short sides. 1, 2. You can keep going, just like with the squares. You can do as many as you would like. You can even draw them small if you would like. 1, 2, 3, 4. Small rectangle. Like that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see? Rectangles. You ready for triangles? So I'm going to start with purple right away. So we're going to try 2 different types of triangle on this page, okay? Triangle 1. So we're going to draw 3 equal straight sides. Equal means the same length, right? 1, 2, 3. They're almost equal. That's all right. If they are not exactly, well, just use your eye as a measurement tool of measurement, right? 1, so you stop, right? And you start here on the top. 2, 3. 1, 2. We've got 2 triangles. And sometimes when you feel like this is the perfect one, the one you like, I like this one more than that one, yeah, you can use it as an example, right? I'm going to draw a bigger one on top, like that. Oh, just like that. All right, so this was triangle 1, type 1. Now we'll try to draw triangle type 2. I'm going to draw it right next to this one so we can compare. I'm going to draw 2 longer than this side, 2 long sides and 1 short straight side. 1, 2. You see long sides and 1 short. All right, one more time. One long, two long sides, and one short. Oh, it's a little wavy triangle. Okay, one on the bottom. One, two, three. Can you see the difference between triangle 1 and triangle 2? Yeah, and we just we can keep practicing. The same, tall, just like that. And keep going, practicing drawing triangles. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to draw a circle. This one is really tricky, but practice makes perfect, right? So we just keep practicing. Circle is round, right? So we're going to draw a round side that joins. We start on the top. Let's pretend this is the top. We're going to the left. Then we need to connect it right like that. It's not perfect round, but still looks like something round, right? Looks like circle. Reminds me of circle. Now let's try one more time. Start on the top. Oh. All right, I also will try. I'm using the clipboard because my table is not really hard enough. And I wanted something really sturdy and hard on the bottom. So maybe I can try to move it around because this side looks better than the other side, right? Oh! All right, reminds me of circle. Not perfect circle. How about I try to make it smaller? Oh, all right. Circle. Sometimes we can go on top of it. Oh, maybe I should have practiced spirals more, right? That has some circles around too. All right. So you just keep going, practicing it. As many as you would like. Circles. All right. So we're almost there with drawing shapes, the basic shapes. The last one for today is going to be semicircle. Semicircle is half of a circle. So we're going to draw half a circle with one straight side. All right, how about we start with half circle? And straight line. Half circle and straight line. Can be a little more round. How about I make it more round? And straight line. So semicircle may be different, depends on, this is not really round, huh? Let me try it round. Oh, you see? Half of a circle in a straight line. Half of a circle in a straight line. Semicircle. Oh, how about I make it big? Alright, let's make it purple. Half circle, straight line. Half circle, straight line. Half circle and straight line. Thank you for practicing semicircles with me. All right, and after you tried drawing all the shapes, how about we take the time, take a look on all of our papers that we use to draw, and we can also try to draw them all on one piece of paper. So the first one was spiral. The next one was what? Do you remember? Yes, that was square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one was rectangle. 2 long sides. 2, 3, 4. What was next? Do you remember? Triangle. Oh, 2 types of triangle. With equal sides, straight sides, and with 2 long sides. 2, 3. We also draw circle, or circle, and semicircle. And you can go ahead. Keep practicing more. Try to remember how they called their names. Rectangle. Backwards. Okay, triangle. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Half circle, straight line. Alright, thanks for watching my lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video and practicing the shapes with me. Thank you.